Welcome, Sati.
Thank you.
So what are your impressions about the event so far?
It's absolutely brilliant. I was telling Gary that he handles clients on banking. I handle clients on banking on my end, and we are totally different markets. And to meet people, overhear conversations of different people coming from different genres, different positions in their agencies and clients, it's phenomenal. We should have more of this in the future.
Just a minute ago, you talked about optimization, but do you have anything to say about brand safety?
Absolutely, brand safety is the key in terms of optimization. So clients have become a lot more aware of things that go on now in the region. It's not just about running an ad, it's to make sure that there are safety checks in place when it comes to running ads.
Okay. So what do you think is the most recent exciting trend in brand communications?
In brand communications, in media, it's online to offline attribution. So especially for retail brick and mortar shops, to attribute a dollar spent online and then have that same person walk into the store and then buy a product, that ROI is the next big thing.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.